In this video, I'm going to show you how to become Exness partner. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and you want to type in Exness partner. And then here, you want to go to this website, which says partnership program with Forex market leader Exness. Here, it's going to be on the link exnessaffiliates.com. Click on that. And then, of course, to be able to do this, you first must have an account with Exness. So I have my personal area dashboard over here. I do have an account with Exness. And then here you simply want to click on the Start Now button. And then after that, it's going to direct you over there into your account. There we go. So my.exnessaffiliates.com. And then here you can first complete your registration, your phone verification, personal info, ID check, and address verification as well. And after you do this, down here, you can see you've basically become a partner. You'll receive your partner link over here, as well as your partner code over here. And then you can go ahead and calculate your commissions. You can basically do anything a partner could do. Okay, so down here you can see what all you could do and what all you could basically benefit from this program and how to use it, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.